welcome back. I'm Allison. This is Wonder Crochet. I want to show you what I have been crocheting this week, and then of course we will crochet some fun new things together. And as always, if you are brand new here, brand new to crochet, you'd like to learn how to crochet your own cute little plushies like all of these, I have a full online course that I'll link in the description. It teaches you from the very beginning how to crochet your own crochet plushies, starting with basic stitches, more advanced stitches, how to read crochet patterns, and so much more. Okay, so let's jump in. So as you know, I had been on like a troll kick. I crocheted my woodland trolls, and then I decided to crochet some magical retro trolls, and I had been having so much fun just making trolls, which is such a random thing to crochet. I normally make like flowers, animals, that type of stuff, but I don't know. I had to make trolls, but we've moved on from the trolls for now. I do want to make a lot more of the magic trolls because I just made, I think, 3 different ones of those, and I had the one with the rainbow hair. I kind of want to make one in each like hair color. That seems excessive. I might do it anyway. So I want to show you what I've been crocheting. We've moved on from the trolls, so I've been making puppies. I've been wanting to make a puppy crochet pattern for honestly years. I made a kitten, I think over 2 years ago. I made a kitten pattern and I wanted to make a puppy pattern, but honestly I just wasn't there yet. I don't think. Like, I couldn't conceptualize how I wanted the pattern to be, and so every time that I would start, I would just stop. And this happens a lot when I'm designing patterns. I feel like I should make something or I should design something, but my brain is just not there yet, you know? So that's how it was with the puppies until now. I didn't know how I wanted to do like the body shape and everything. Most of the animals that I crochet are sitting down. Like, if you look through the patterns that I have on Etsy or on my website, most of them are sitting. So I knew I wanted to have the puppy sit, but I wanted it to be a little bit different than the typical animals that I crochet. So anyway, this is the first puppy that I crocheted, and I decided that I wanted to do kind of a mix and match pattern. So there's a bunch of different options, so you can crochet pretty much any type of dog that you'd like, because there's so many different types of dogs. I don't want to discriminate against any. So I have the dog with the short snout, and I have the long snout as well, and I have 5 different types of ears, 3 different types of tails, so that you can really mix and match any. So I made this one, which was kind of like a cross between Beagle, Spaniel, and then this one, which was more of like a Labrador type of dog. And there's their little paws, my favorite part. And then I made this little French bulldog, cute little gray Frenchie. I just love his big ears and little snout and the little paws. So I've been busy making dogs. That's pretty much what I've been crocheting this week. And then yesterday I made this little husky. I put up a poll on Instagram and asked y'all what type of dog I should crochet next. I put like 4 different types of dogs on there, and husky won. Husky won kind of by a lot, so I made a cute little husky. And I do have the color changes for the husky in the pattern as well. When am I posting this? The pattern will be out tomorrow, so you can set a reminder if you want to get the puppy pattern. But let's crochet another puppy. I am thinking, I've had you all suggest so many cute ones to crochet, and it's hard because I want to make all of them, but obviously, you know, I only have so much time. I think that I want to make a German Shepherd next. So I think that we're going to go with kind of the husky base, do bigger ears, obviously. So I'll do the long snout, the bigger upright ears, and the color changes of the husky, but obviously a little bit different for a German Shepherd. So let's look and see what color yarn I have, and we'll start to work on our cute little German Shepherd puppy. My yarn is a mess right now. Please ignore that. Actually, I might tidy it up a little bit after we find the yarn that we want to use. So for the German Shepherds are brown and black. So I'm thinking of using the same color that I used for this one because I feel like it's a German Shepherd-esque color. I don't know if I have any left. That's Hobie Honey Bunny in Nougat. It's one of my favorite colors to crochet with because it's so pretty, but I've honestly made so much stuff with it recently, like a rainbow troll. His body's in Nougat, and of course there's so many animals that you can make in it. So let me see if I have any. I think this much. I don't know if that'll be enough. I don't want to lose Yarn Chicken. I lost Yarn Chicken twice while crocheting these dogs. Let me show you. So I had this, which was Parfait Chunky in one of their limited edition colors, and with it being limited edition, I can't get it again, which I guess was silly of me to start a project in a yarn that I can't get again. So I lost Yarn Chicken, and let me show you what I had to do. My sunflower troll, I took her ears for the sake of our puppy, which makes me really sad. I'll probably crochet them in a light yellow, so they'll be a little bit different, but not that much different. Unless, Premier, you're watching this, please bring back the Parfait Chunky limited edition colors, or even just this light yellow. I desperately need it. And then it happened again with the Frenchie, where I had to decapitate one of my horse plushies to get more of this gray. So I want to make sure that I have enough for the German Shepherd. So I have these. Oh! I don't know why I have 3 skeins started, like 3 partial skeins. This just shows how unorganized I actually am. Okay, this will be perfect. This will definitely be enough, and then we need black as well. Again, my yarn is just a mess right now. I have this little thing of black. We'll need more. I definitely think that I have more. Oh, here's the poor gray horse that I had to take apart. We'll just set him aside. Okay, cool. I have a full skein of black, so I definitely have enough. I'm thinking we'll do the legs in, you know what, these are different colors. Oh, they are different colors. Again, we're running into the Parfait Chunky limited edition. This was almond butter, and this is Hobie Honey Bunny in Nougat. They're very similar, but not the same. So I'm going to be using the almond butter just because I have more and I don't want to risk running out. I'm glad that I noticed that because they are a little bit different. The Nougat is a little bit warmer, I would say, a little bit more of like an orange tinge than the almond butter is. But again, love these colors. Please bring them back. Okay, let me do a quick organization montage, fixing up the yarn, and then we'll start crocheting our German Shepherd puppy. That's a little bit better. I did place an order because you can see I'm pretty low on the greens and yellows. I did place a yarn order for Honey Bunny, so I'll be getting more of that soon. I actually changed my mind again. I am going to do Nougat because I feel like it's closer in color to a German Shepherd than the other one is. I might be wrong. I've never had a German Shepherd. And then I am using black. I found this just like shoved in the back of the yarn shelves. It was, I think it was a cat that I was working on, like a black cat, but I obviously never finished it, so I am just going to frog it. Some ASMR for you. And then we can use the black yarn from this, because I hate when yarn goes to waste when I have a project that I just know that I'm not going to finish. It happens a little bit too often. And there's our frogged yarn. It kind of looks like curly hair. One tip when you are frogging with chenille yarn is to frog it quickly. So you want to make sure that you're holding on to the project and then rip it quickly. I found that you lose the least amount if you do it that way. If you frog it too slow, then I don't know, it just like gives the yarn a chance to all come off. Okay, so I'm gonna set down my squid ink noodles here and find something to watch. What do you all like to watch while you crochet? I usually watch YouTube videos or like Animal Crossing island tours, Studio Ghibli movies. That's what I like to watch while I crochet. So if you have anything that you like to watch, let me know, because I'm always looking for new stuff to watch while I crochet. So let's start to work on our German Shepherd, and I'll give you a little update along the way. I haven't worked with black yarn in so long. Let me show you what I have to do to work with it. I have to have my little neck light. I'll link it in the description, but I got it from Amazon. And of course my glasses, which my floodlights are kind of reflecting off of. I love how projects look in black yarn. It's just, you know, it's so hard to see to work with it. Okay, so I finished all the feet, and now I am going to make the body in black. I made the feet and legs in the brown color, and now I'm going to make the body in black. I know I say this all the time, but I really think that this is my favorite pattern I've ever designed. I don't know, it feels like such a betrayal to say that to the other patterns that I've made, but I really like this one and I'm really excited about it, and I hope you're excited about it too. Okay, back to crocheting. Here's the head for our little German Shepherd puppy. I'm so excited. I love how it's turning out, and I like the big old ears because, you know, the puppies have to grow into their ears. So now let's finish up the body and put it all together. I'm really enjoying making this little pup. Our cute little German Shepherd puppy all finished. I really enjoyed making this, and there's all our puppies together. Again, this pattern will be out on April 3rd. So if you'd like to make your own cute little puppy, you can absolutely do that. And like I said, with the pattern, you can really make any type of puppy that you would like. It's just your creativity truly is the only thing holding you back there. Let me know what your favorite type of dog is, and if you want me to keep crocheting dogs, because I'm really enjoying it. And if you don't already, give me a follow over on my Instagram. I post all of my new projects and fun over there. I hope you enjoyed crocheting together today. And of course, let me know what other types of videos you'd love to see from me. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again real soon.